change out that fuel pressure sensor. I've already lifted the seat in the back and unplugged the fuel pumps and ran the car out of gas, hoping that it'll make this little sensor not spit gas all over the place. But what I'm going to use for that is my breaker bar, because I've heard it's pretty tight. I don't know if it will be. And my 12mm wrench to go over that. That'll hold that in place. It's a real simple switch. Should only take about 5 minutes. And we'll be back. I'll just leave it running. I'll go do it right now. Yeah, that's not very tight at all. Alright, well, since I got He-Man hands, I can just slowly wind it out and see what happens. I've got some cloths under here, just in case. Seems like there might be a little bit of gas coming up. Yeah, just a little bit, not much. That is the old sensor. I'll be back in a sec with the new one. Alright, we got them lined up. There's not too much of a difference, except for this one. It's the old one. Does not have, if we can see it here, that little release hole on the bottom. And this one, if I can pick it up proper, get my thumb out of the way and focus on it, is CA at the end. That will apparently look after your fuel pressure issues if you have any. So we'll throw it back in, fire the car up, and then I'm going to see about loading my Cobb. My Cobb tuner. You've already seen that. You don't need to see it again. There you go. Alright, hang with me. Alright, we got the new one back in. Now all we gotta do is go in the back seat. There we go. We got that plug there, we got to plug back in. And it is in the back seat under the driver's side. So let's plug that back in, prime the car 3 or 4 times by hitting the button, but without your foot on the brake, and we'll see if she fires up and check for leaks. We're in the car. Now we're going to prime the system a few times and see what happens. Well, let's see if she fires up. Oh, look at that. Now we'll go out and check for a few leaks. Everything seems good. So quiet for now. Wait until Tuesday. Right, I've updated the access port on the computer upstairs. It was very easy. just went into the Cobb site and downloaded their firmware, and now we are waiting while the Acessport saves the factory ECU data. Now this is just going to be to mate it to the car. Everything else is off. And then I'll look into what the Cobb tunes actually are, what you need to run them. On Tuesday, I'm going to be adding the downpipe and the exhaust, and a little while after that an intercooler. But yeah, it should be fun. We'll see what happens with it. We'll be back when this is pretty much ready. Well, we took the car out for a test rip this morning. It runs fine, so the 0-0 stage tune on Cobb doesn't really do anything. But I can actually see what my charge temps are now for the intercooler that's coming in. They were at 74. I gave it a little hit and it went up to 85, and then but it stayed there. That's what it is with the factory intercooler and downpipe and exhaust. I expect things to change a little bit. I'm going to be doing exhaust and the downpipe tomorrow, and I'm waiting on a nice race intercooler from CV Fabrication, and the exhaust is Circuit Concept Garage. I expect it's going to sound way better, but that air in that temp, charge temp, is really going up. But we'll see what everything else does for it. Should be good times, and at least the car won't be like a silencer on the end of a semi-automatic weapon. It's kind of an analogy for this thing right now. Silent but deadly. Alright, everybody have a good day, and we'll come back when we have some more mods done.